The moment you step through the door, a story begins. And at Handmade Studio, we believe your home inside should speak before you ever do. Today, we're revealing an entryway decorating secret that transforms ordinary spaces into something quietly unforgettable, where DIY meets timeless elegance and reclaimed wood becomes the soul of design. This isn't about flashy trends or expensive finishes. It's about thoughtful decorating that feels lived in, warm, and deeply personal. Using reclaimed wood DIY techniques, we'll show you how subtle textures, natural materials, and intentional choices can create a quiet luxury look that welcomes you home every single day. If you've ever felt that your entryway was missing something meaningful, this is where that journey begins. Stay with us as we explore how small DIY decorating decisions can reshape the entire feeling of your home inside, one beautifully crafted detail at a time. Entryway decorating secret. The story of a home always begins at the entryway. This is the moment your guests step inside, where first impressions are formed before a single word is spoken. Imagine opening the door and being greeted by warmth, texture, and history. This is where reclaimed wood becomes your secret weapon. To make this design, start with a DIY reclaimed wood console table or wall panel. Choose wood with visible grain, subtle imperfections, and a soft matte finish. These natural flaws are what elevate the space into quiet luxury. Pair it with minimalist decor, ceramic bowls, soft lighting, and a neutral rug to let the materials speak for themselves. This isn't about loud decorating. It's about restraint. A single handcrafted bench, a wooden mirror frame, and warm tones instantly transform your home inside into something intentional, calming, and timeless. This entryway doesn't shout, it gently welcomes. where stories settle and comfort lives. As we move deeper into the home inside, the living room becomes the heart of everyday life. This is where quiet luxury truly unfolds through comfort, balance, and thoughtful DIY decorating choices. Start by introducing reclaimed wood shelving or a DIY coffee table. Keep the design clean and low profile. Surround it with plush fabrics, linen sofas, textured throws, and soft cushions in earthy tones. The contrast between rough wood and gentle textiles creates a rich, layered look without overwhelming the space. Lighting is crucial here. Use warm lamps and indirect light to highlight wood textures and create a cozy glow. The goal is a living room that feels lived in yet elevated, a place where conversations linger and time slows down. Functional beauty with a handmade soul. The kitchen is often overlooked as a design space, but it's one of the most powerful places to introduce DIY decorating magic. Think reclaimed wood open shelves, handmade cabinet fronts, or a rustic island countertop. To achieve this look, balance natural materials with clean surfaces. White or neutral cabinetry paired with warm wood creates contrast while keeping the space bright and modern. This approach transforms your kitchen from purely functional into a storytelling space, where every meal feels intentional. These small DIY upgrades bring depth and character to your home inside, proving that luxury doesn't come from perfection, but from authenticity. design and connection meet. The dining room is where design supports connection. Start with a DIY reclaimed wood dining table, solid, grounded, and full of history. Keep the lines simple, letting the wood be the star of the room. Pair it with neutral chairs, soft lighting, and minimal table decor. A linen runner, ceramic dishware, and natural elements create an atmosphere that feels both elegant and welcoming. This space isn't about showing off, it's about slowing down, sharing meals, and creating moments. That's the essence of quiet luxury decorating. Small spaces, big design impact. Even the smallest corners of your home inside deserve attention. In the bathroom, reclaimed wood can be used for floating shelves, vanity accents, or mirror frames. Balance it with stone textures, soft towels, and warm lighting for a spa-like experience. For hallways, reading nooks, or bedrooms, repeat the same design language: natural wood, neutral palettes, and thoughtful DIY touches. Consistency is what makes the entire home feel curated and intentional. These in-between spaces quietly tie the whole story together. entryway is more than just a passage. It's the first chapter of your home inside, and with reclaimed wood DIY decorating, it becomes a statement of calm, character, and quiet luxury. Today, we uncovered how intentional materials and thoughtful design can elevate everyday spaces without losing their warmth or authenticity. If this inspired you, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Handmade Studio, and share it with someone who loves DIY and decorating as much as you do. By joining our community, you're becoming part of a movement that values craftsmanship, storytelling, and meaningful design, because every home inside deserves to tell a beautiful story.